Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to make turkey vegetable soup, and I'll be combining vegetables, herbs and spices to make this soup. So right here I have some broccoli, celery, carrots, scallions and sweet potatoes. So these are the vegetables I'll be using. And I have some herbs here. I have basil, thyme, rosemary, cilantro, summertime and mint. And I have pepper, onion, garlic and ginger. So I'll be blending the onion, pepper, ginger and garlic together, and I'll be using it to marinate the turkey. And this is turkey wings, because turkey wings is more sweeter than other parts, so I'm using turkey wings. So I have some seasoning cubes. I add it to the turkey wings, thyme, rosemary and curry, and I'll be pouring the blended onion, pepper and garlic and ginger into it and mixing it before boiling. So after marinating, I I won't be adding water to it at this point, because I want to cook it for some minutes so that it can be able to produce its own juice before I add water to it. So that's the juice from the turkey. So I'll be adding water now. So I have to leave it to cook for some more minutes before I start adding more things to it. So after some couple minutes, just add the herbs. Then leave it to steam for some more minutes before adding the potatoes. So those are the sweet potatoes. Carrots. Then just leave it to cook for some more minutes before adding the remaining ingredients. So the scallions. And broccoli will be the last thing I'll be adding. So I'm adding this celery. and broccoli. And you don't need to cook it for long after adding the broccoli. So the soup is ready. And I have a French bread I'll be using to heat the soup. So I just slice and use some butter to spray on it, and I put it in the oven to heat for some minutes before bringing it out. So this is the soup and the bread, and this is one soup that is good to eat during the cold weather. If you live in a cold weather climate, this is one soup that can help you during the cold season. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and stay tuned for more updates on new videos. See you in the next one. And also try out this recipe and tell me what you think in the comments box. And the recipe is also in the description box below if you need the recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.